Hello everyone, welcome to the UltFone channel. This video will help you solve a common Android problem. The phone is stuck in the boot loop cycle and cannot start normally. I will share 3 simple and effective methods to help you easily fix your device and get your phone back to normal operation. Method 1. Force restart your phone. When the phone encounters any problem, we can give priority to force restart. For Samsung phones, you just need to press and hold the power button and the volume down button at the same time until the phone logo appears. Different models may vary slightly. Usually, force restart can help you solve many minor problems. After restarting, you can go to Setting. Check storage space. Clean up some garbage and prevent the phone from booting due to insufficient memory. If force restarting can't solve the problem, then we need to use a more powerful repair tool, UltFone Android System Repair, to fix it. Method 2. UltFone Android System Repair No Data Loss. UltFone Android System Repair is a tool designed specifically for Android system failures, which can help you fix various system problems caused by system crashes or firmware errors. You can download it from the link below the video. Here's how. First, connect your phone to your computer. Then open UltFone Android System Repair. Click on the Repair Android System option. Then click Repair Now. Select your phone brand, model, carrier, etc. Click Next. The software will help you download the corresponding firmware. A few moments later, after the download is complete, click Repair Now. Now you need to follow the software instructions to put your phone into download mode. First, you need to press and hold the volume down and power buttons at the same time to force the phone to shut down. And then press and hold the volume up and volume down buttons at the same time. Keep holding until the warning page appears. Then click the volume up button to enter the download page. Now go back to UltFone. It will start to help you repair your Android phone. After the repair is complete, your phone will restart and you can access it without any problems. And all the data is still saved on your phone. Method 3. Reset your phone in recovery mode. Data loss? If the above method still doesn't work, then you might as well try entering recovery mode to clear cache or data. For Samsung phones, you only need to turn off the phone and press and hold the power button and volume up button at the same time until your phone logo appears. After entering recovery mode, use the volume button to select Wipe Data/Factory Reset and then use the power button to confirm. But please note that this method is not recommended unless it is absolutely necessary, because this operation will clear all data, so be sure to back it up in advance. This method is mainly suitable for situations where cache data is damaged or system file errors occur, especially for users of Samsung devices. Through this video, you can choose the method that suits you best. If you think this video is helpful to you, remember to like, comment and subscribe to our channel. And see you next time.